Pour milk over the carrot. This is an old home remedy that my grandmother still uses today, and its preparation is incredibly simple. Start by cutting one carrot into smaller pieces. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports immunity and helps regenerate mucous membranes. Prepare a pot and add the chopped carrot. Pour in enough milk to fully cover it. Milk has a soothing effect on an irritated throat, helping to reduce coughing and phlegm. Simmer over low heat until the carrot becomes soft. A fork should easily pierce it. Once the carrot is ready, transfer it along with the milk into a blender and blend until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished syrup into a jar and store it in the refrigerator. This is a simple, homemade remedy for coughs that contains no artificial additives or preservatives. Regular use of 1 teaspoon a day can bring relief and naturally improve well-being.
A mixture for hypertension, lowering blood sugar, and regulating cholesterol levels. Just a few apples can improve parameters crucial for health, and when you add a few spices to them, such a mixture can work wonders, especially for people in middle age. Take 2 apples. They contain vitamin C, E, B group vitamins, magnesium, and potassium, which are crucial in combating hypertension. Cut them into quarters and remove the seeds. The polyphenols in apples not only help lower blood pressure, but also sugar levels. Just 2 apples a day also lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of type B diabetes. Add the sliced apples. Add 5 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks. Cloves support insulin production in the body and lower bad cholesterol. Cinnamon, on the other hand, lowers systolic and diastolic pressure. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Cook all the ingredients together for 10 minutes. After cooking the mixture, strain it through a sieve and let it cool. Drink at least 3 times a week in a small glass. You will quickly notice an improvement in well-being. The body will cleanse and heal itself, and cholesterol will finally be within the normal range.
The soup that saved thousands of children's lives. Mothers of young children still use it today. Ernst Moro, an Austrian pediatrician, provided its recipe at the beginning of the 20th century. He discovered that this soup reduces mortality in children. It consists of only 3 ingredients: carrots, water, and salt. Peel half a kilogram of carrots. This valuable vegetable contains, among other things, vitamins A, E, C, and K. It also has many valuable minerals such as potassium, sodium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Cut the peeled carrots into pieces. Put them in a pot. Pour 1 liter of water over them. Cook the carrots for 90 minutes. It was Ernst Moro who discovered that carrots cooked in this way could save newborns' lives. After cooking, drain the remaining water, then make a puree from the carrots. Our grandmothers use it a potato masher. But a blender will crush the cooked carrots faster and more thoroughly. Fill the drained water to 1 liter with boiling water and pour it into the carrots. Add 3 grams of salt. This prepared soup protects children from bacteria. Oligosaccharides contained in carrots prevent bacteria from adhering to the intestinal walls. This prevents diarrhea. Since the discovery of this soup, the mortality rate of children caused by diarrhea has significantly decreased. Most people don't know this recipe with the common lilac. This is the last moment to pick it. Lilac flowers are edible. Pick them when they bloom and bring them home. Rinse them thoroughly with water. Then pick the flowers from the branch. We care about the petals themselves. Lilac flowers, commonly known as elderberries, are edible and have quite a few health benefits. Petals contain many active compounds, including tannins, coumarins, phenolic acids, and flavonoids. Put a cup of white sugar into a pot. Pour a glass of water over it. Turn on the heat. Stir the whole thing until the sugar dissolves. Then, pour the elderflowers into it. Boil the whole thing. The flowers should color the water. Pour 100 grams of frozen or fresh blueberries into the pan. Cook them until a thick sauce is formed. Transfer to a bowl. Then, add to the water with the flowers. Stir the whole thing and cook for 5 minutes. After is done, Strain through a strainer. Transfer the syrup to a sterilized jar beforehand and you're done. This is a natural ingredient that has anti-inflammatory and anti-fever effects. It will work great as an addition to tea, lemonade, or as a topping for ice cream. It is delicious and healthy. Its lovely dark purple color is natural. The syrup can be stored for up to 2 months in the refrigerator. This mixture eliminates cough and helps remove phlegm. It treats sore throat. You can make it at any time. You will stop cough attacks and recover faster. Slice a red onion. Then chop a piece of ginger. Also chop 1 garlic clove. Slice 1 clean lime. In a pot, add the ingredients one by one. Onion helps treat persistent dry cough, as well as wet cough with accompanying phlegm. Ginger warms up stagnant secretions, soothes cough, and eliminates sore throat. Garlic is a well-known home antibiotic and has antiseptic properties, thus alleviating sore throat. Lime aids in treating upper respiratory tract disorders, including cough and sore throat. Add a cinnamon stick. This spice effectively soothes sore throat and persistent cough. Pour 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to each glass. Drink twice a day for 1 week. Do you make such mixtures at home?
A natural stimulant for the intestines and liver. I use it when I have a bloated stomach and when I need to improve my metabolism. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach not only strengthens the body, but also helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and body weight. It also reduces the risk of heart disease. Cut 2 to 3 lemons into thin slices and put them in a glass jar or other glass vessel. Lemon is primarily a source of vitamin C and protects the body against the harmful effects of free radicals. Then chop 3 cloves of garlic and add to the chopped lemon. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Pour honey over lemons and garlic. About 5 large spoons should be enough to cover half of the lemons. Honey prevents cardiovascular diseases. Fill the remaining half of the dish with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an ingredient recommended by dietitians and doctors due to its anti-atherosclerosis properties, reducing cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. Mix gently, cover and set aside for about 12 hours. After this time, the mixture is ready. Take 1 tablespoon twice a day, 1 in the morning on an empty stomach, the other in the evening before bed. You will quickly notice a significant improvement in your well-being. The feeling of bloating will disappear, your blood test results will improve, and you will also lose unnecessary kilograms. This mixture will also affect the quality of your skin and complexion.